Now that Amazon has partnered with Avalara, you can automate your sales and use taxes with just a few clicks of a button. With all your sales tax calculated, the real job is filing your sales tax returns. Avalara manages the entire process and files on time, guaranteed. You'll receive detailed sales tax reports broken down by city and county that show exactly what you collected and where it was remitted. And guess what? That's it. One powerful partnership and one single solution to remove the burdens of sales tax and returns so you can get back to business. Do what you love and leave sales taxes to us. Avalara, tax compliance done right.